Back in the summer of 2024, Time Team joined Operation Nightingale to investigate an Anglo-Saxon cemetery. And then,
let's have 10 minutes.
Classic Time Team, it was a last-minute discovery. Oh Lord, look at that. It certainly looks like a long, wide piece of iron that has been buried in some kind of wooden container. The team reconvened in high spirits with one simple mission: locate, identify and contextualise the mysterious metal object. Wow, that is such a remarkable find.
Every time Team I've done, we've had this weapon. Biblical.
And you never know, you never know.
The joys of archaeology.
Yeah.
That's phenomenal.